We believe anyone can find the confidence in themselves to experience our activities. And for many, it forces us to look deep inside and find the guts and bravery to make the leap. Feeling fear is normal. Overcoming fear is empowering, liberating and exhilarating. It's when a person truly lives. We reckon everyone should experience that feeling at least once.
Everybody finds bungee jumping scary. It's definitely one of those activities that gets the heart rates up, whether you're the bravest person in the world or not.
So glad we did it.
Yeah, because now I can be like, we bungee jumped, we can do anything.
If you've ever thought about it, you must do it. It's a once-off opportunity, just do it and have fun.
You feel great afterwards and you feel like you've overcome your fear and it feels awesome.
I feel exhilarated, yeah. I feel like my trip to New Zealand is complete now.
Madest thing I've ever done.
When you're on the edge, you're just like, oh no.
I got to the edge, I didn't think I was going to be able to do it, and I just did it. It's amazing. Got to do it.
Got to do it, yeah.
Yeah, get it done.
There's no turning back.
I knew I'd regret it if I did it.
Try and keep yourself as calm as possible. Like breathing nice and slowly. If you let your breathing get the better of you and you can't control it, then you're starving your brain of oxygen and you start making silly decisions.
Listen, I am 76 years old, and if I can do it at 76, anybody could do it. You'll regret if you don't. Put yourself out there, do it, you'll have a marvelous time.
Anyone can do it.
Yeah,
Bungee jumping's from the shoulders up, not the shoulders down.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
The one thing I would say to somebody would be, you've come up here and you know you want to do it. And how good are you going to feel after you've done it?
Best piece of advice is don't fear the countdown. Use it as a target. When you hear one, just launch yourself off. Go have a good time.
It's awesome.
Speechless.
I'm actually a little bit speechless.
The fear that I felt was just this anxiety that I was gonna fall or something wasn't gonna catch me. And I think when he just told me to take a deep breath and feel more relaxed, I was okay.
3, 2, 1.
If in doubt, shucker it out. Girls. You better not use it.
No. Never use that.
Do it over and over again because it gets cheaper and you enjoy it more and more.